Why do 85% of Apple users say their productivity has skyrocketed? It's all thanks to Apple Intelligence. Unveiled just this October, Apple Intelligence is rolling out with iOS 18.1, iPad OS 18.1, and macOS Sequoia 15.1. So, what's the hype all about? First up, advanced writing tools. Whether you need to rewrite, proofread, or even make your text sound poetic, Apple's got you covered. ChatGPT integration makes it smarter than ever. Next, Siri's had a glow-up. She's more natural, conversational, and can switch between voice and text seamlessly. Plus, with ChatGPT, she'll soon understand images and documents too. The Photos app, it's like magic. Search for images with descriptive queries and clean up your pics by removing unwanted objects or people. And privacy geeks, rejoice. Apple ensures most tasks are processed right on your device, with complex stuff handled by ultra-secure private cloud compute. Visual intelligence is another game changer, so says the real-time translation and info on objects and places using the new iPhone 16 camera control. So, update your devices and dive into the future with Apple Intelligence. Trust us, you won't look back.